Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to do about factorization by 2sinx. So cosine to the power of 2, we have cosine squared in here. Next, we have the formula so this one that is about tan s. This one that is about secant of s squared. Next, we can use about interpolation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 2 tan s plus 1. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 secant of s squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. This one with the s we change for this one. So the integration of this one that is about negative 1 over u. About u that is about this one. And I will put negative go outside. This is the end. Thank you for watching.